this app was secretly installed and scans your photos. So if you want to delete the app, then here's what you can do. First, you need to open up your Play Store. From the Play Store, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right. And from the profile, you need to just simply scroll down, and then you need to go with the help section. Go with help and feedback. Once you're on your help and feedback, you need to go with the search, and under search, you need to search for delete. Once you've searched, you will find the option of delete apps on your Android device. You need to tap on it. After that, tap on go to application settings, which will take you to the app settings. This method works across all Android phones, no matter the brand. Now, in your app list, you need to go with the search bar and then type for Android. And you'll find the option of Android System Safety Core. You need to tap on it. And then you need to tap on permissions in the top right. Tap on the three dots and select all permissions. You'll notice it actually does have access to the network features, which it uses to scan incoming and outgoing images. If you're comfortable with that, then go back and simply tap on uninstall, then confirm by tapping OK. Even if this app says it has no permissions, digging deeper reveals it can still monitor activity using your network. That's why it's crucial to check permissions the way I showed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.